Just add alcohol to the softener, and even the neighbors will smell the aroma of your house. The environment companies don't want you to know this, and they will be upset with me for telling you, but it is a secret that is worth sharing. To create this wonderful homemade fragrance for the environment, we will start by adding 1.5 cups of softener. We will also need 1.5 cups of alcohol. Friends, this mixture is very powerful, and it is incredible what it can do in your home. Many people do not know this formula, but today they will learn how to create a fragrance that will leave everyone surprised. Don't forget that you will also put a glass here with approximately 200 milliliters of water. Mix all the ingredients very well. The combination of softener and alcohol is the key to obtaining a pleasant and long-lasting aroma. Now we will pass this mixture to a sprayer, so it will be much easier to apply it in any corner of your house. To avoid waste, use a funnel when pouring the mixture into the sprayer. Make sure to put all our homemade fragrance in the container. But we are not done. A special touch will be to add some smell nails. You don't need many, just a few will be enough. These small nails will play a very important role in the final result. Let the mixture rest for about 5 minutes before closing the bottle of the sprayer. After the rest time, shake the mixture very well so that all the components combine properly. Now our wonderful homemade fragrance is ready to be used. This product that we have created can be sprayed in various corners of your house. You can spray it on the curtains, on the sofa, on bedding, and on carpets. You have no idea how well it will leave your home smelling. And best of all, thanks to the aroma of the smell nails, it will also scare away insects, especially annoying mosquitoes. If you get used to buying smell scents in the markets, you don't need to do it anymore. With this homemade fragrance, your home will be extremely scented naturally and without spending so much money. In addition, the benefits of scaring away insects are an additional advantage. So, take advantage of this secret and use this wonderful fragrance in your home. I'm sure it will be extremely fragrant and pleasant. Never underestimate the power of natural ingredients to create a perfect environment in your home. Try this recipe and enjoy the aroma that will leave your home. If you have come this far, leave me the phrase, "delicious smell," so I will know that you saw the whole video. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already.